Tired of missing new listings in your favorite eBay categories? You know the feeling. You check your phone and that vintage camera you've been watching for weeks has already sold. Someone else snatched it up hours ago while you were none the wiser. That frustrating moment where you realize you could have had it if only you had known the moment it was listed. Well, that changes today. By the end of this video, you'll go from missing out on those hidden gems to getting instant updates straight to your feed. No more lost deals, no more frustration. Just you and the listings you actually want to see. So here's the plan. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to follow a category on eBay in just a few simple steps. It's easier than you probably think, and once you've got it set up, it runs on autopilot. All right, let's start where it all begins. You need to be signed into your eBay account. Now, I know this sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people try to follow a category while they're just browsing as a guest. It won't work. eBay needs to know who you are so it can push those updates to your account specifically. So go ahead and sign in. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. And here's a quick tip while we're here. Make sure you're not accidentally signed into a secondary account or a family member's account, because your followed categories won't follow you around. You have to set them up on the account you actually use. Once you're signed in and ready, it's time to navigate to the category you actually want to follow. Now, don't overthink this part. Just scroll through eBay's main menu, or use the search bar to find a broad category like vintage cameras, or vinyl records, or mechanical keyboards. Whatever floats your boat. Click into that category. Take a look around. This is the page eBay uses to show you all the listings in that specific niche. And in my experience, this is where most people get stuck. They browse this page, find a few items they like, but they never take that one extra click that makes all the difference. So just make sure you're sitting on the main page for the category itself, not a specific item listing. You want the big picture view. Now, this is the moment that changes everything. Once you're on that category page, look for the Follow button. On desktop, it's usually up near the top of the page, right next to the category title. On mobile, it might be tucked into a menu or a row of action buttons, but it's there. Go ahead and click it. The button might change color or switch to Following to confirm it worked. And that's it. You've just told eBay, hey, I want to know everything new in this category as soon as it happens. I've tested this process across different accounts and different types of categories, and I can tell you it's consistent. It just works. So now that you've hit that Follow button, let's talk about what happens next. You won't have to sit there refreshing the page every hour. Thank goodness. Instead, eBay will automatically push updates into your account feed and your notifications. On the eBay mobile app, you'll start seeing new listings pop up in your feed when you open it. On desktop, you might see them on your homepage or in your recently viewed and followed sections. And here's the really cool part. If you have notifications turned on for the app, eBay can even send you a push alert when a new item is listed in a category you're following. That means you can be watching TV or cooking dinner, and your phone buzzes with a heads up about that exact deal you've been waiting for. So make sure your app notifications are enabled under your account settings. A quick check there can save you hours of manual refreshing later. And there you have it. From missing every new listing in your favorite categories to getting instant notifications the moment something goes live. No more FOMO, no more frustrating sold tags on items you wanted. Just a few clicks and you're in the loop forever. Go ahead and try it right now. Pick a category you love, follow it, and see how quickly your feed starts delivering those hidden treasures straight to you.
Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy hunting out there on eBay.